Chinese social media explodes with hilarious AI memes of Trump, Elon Musk as factory workers. A series of AI-generated videos featuring Donald Trump, J.D. Vance, and Elon Musk as factory workers have gone viral on Chinese social media, adding a humorous twist to the ongoing trade dispute between the US and China. In one of the most popular clips, the trio is seen on an assembly line, dressed in gray uniforms, parodying typical scenes from Chinese factories. The videos have been widely shared on X, formerly Twitter, particularly by Chinese users, and appear to poke fun at recent American efforts to revive domestic manufacturing. One video shows overweight and bored-looking American workers slowly stitching at sewing machines. His caption read, "Make America Great Again." AI-generated videos depicting MAGA supporters including Trump himself working in warehouses sewing and manufacturing are going viral after the trade war between Beijing and Washington kicked off. Pic.twitter.com 7L58XWNFGB Brief Libino J April 9, 2025 Make America Great Again Tariff America Axiong 67 https://t.co.kbg F40I. Kyong_C April 8, 2025 Another clip was reposted on X who added a laughing emoji. Nananon it quickly gained traction, with more than 6 million views. While many found the videos funny, others called them offensive, especially towards real factory workers. When manufacturing was here, America was great. Why do liberals think this is demoralizing or something? One person commented. Another user shared a personal story in response. What exactly is your point? My mom worked in a sewing factory for 15 years, she raised us after dad left, stayed off welfare, kept food on the table, a roof over our heads. It was a good job, thankful she had it. The videos come at a time when tensions between the two countries are rising. Former President Trump recently announced a 90-day suspension of tariffs for certain countries but left China out of the deal. Instead, he raised tariffs on Chinese imports to 145, following China's earlier move to impose 84 tariffs on American goods. China criticized the decision. China's door is open to dialogue, but it must be based on mutual respect, said Commerce Ministry spokesperson He Yongqian. The ongoing trade war has also shaken global markets, with noticeable fluctuations in stock prices as uncertainty continues to grow. Meanwhile, a popular meme featuring Trump and Chinese President Xi Jinping as characters from the famous TV ad for Center Fruit chewing gum has been going viral too. Nanan swipe left for next video and amassed high. As the political and economic debate continues, it seems AI memes have become an unlikely battleground too. Latest blogs